You're good.
Last year, we got the crazy idea to take an old pontoon boat, tear it down to the bare metal, and rebuild it into a tiny home on the water. We documented our steps along the way, and we want to share them with you to show you what's possible with a little bit of blood, sweat, and tears. This is our Pontoon Houseboat project.
So I took the jigsaw and I squared out the windows a little bit so I can trim them. This one isn't too bad back here. I just have to do a couple corners. I really wanted to trim them out in their round natural being, but I don't know how to do that. I'm gonna square off around the windows so then I can trim it out. So I have to just cut that corner a little bit, and then this one down here. The other two are cut back far enough to where I can get a trim board in there. So that's what my project is today. Okay, that's done. I made these frames for the inside of the windows. I put them on a table saw, made them 1.25 inches wide, and then tacked them together. Now I'm going to tack these together. 18 gauge 3/4 nails.
This seems safe.
Ah! There you are. It's the inside of the window. And then I'll trim this out. It looks okay. Not too shabby. Call it good? Alright, so that's what it looks like. I have one more window. If you look at it, you can't really see that it's a rounded window because they did this. I painted the corners black, so you can't really tell that it's a rounded window. I'll bring this in and then nail gun the trim to it in the window. I haven't painted them yet, they're just primed, but then I can do this. I can take it out, voila, and I can paint it. And then once it's painted, ready to go back in, I can put it in, then I'll nail gun it to the wall, then I'll caulk it all the way around, and then I'll prime the walls. That's where I am. I'm not gonna tell you how many hours it's taken me because, well, it's a bit unnecessary. Now I get to figure out how to trim this baby out. I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but should be fun, at least interesting. Yesterday I got all of the trim done for the windows. I just have to fill it and then paint it. But today I am going to tackle the back wall. I'm gonna paint the back wall this color. I'm a big fan of the texture. Some of it's still wet, but it's still, you can still see the texture of it, but it's one color I'm a huge fan. The paint is called Little Black Dress. Mom hasn't seen it yet finished, so he's gonna...
It's finished?
He's gonna walk in.
I see the piece of trim on the floor. I love that.
Thank you. Okay,
Can
come
I
on.
look now?
No, just keep walking in.
Oh.
Okay, ready? 3, 2...
Where am I looking?
You're looking at the back wall. That's the only thing I finished.
You're good.
Do you like it?
I love it.
I love
the
it
trim on the window.
too. It looks
Wow,
so
it's
good.
nice.
There she
Yes.
is. Today I'm going to prime the walls so then I can hang the trim that goes along here to cover up the seams. And then I'll caulk and paint.